back to the Love Family Women's Center in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. I'm Tyler Johnson, project manager, and I'll be taking you around the site today for the. So now we're standing in the north portion of the new Women's Center parking lot. Over the last month, we've poured out the northern half of it, which will serve as our construction parking, but will also provide future patient parking for the Women's Center. So directly behind me, you'll see the new entrance off Meridian. It'll provide access to the front of the Women's Center. Will support the road and the access behind the building. So then a little further to the east, you can see the new stair tower, which will provide access from the first floor, second floor, third floor, and the fourth floor shelf space.
Hi, I'm Jordan, a project engineer at J.E. Dunn Construction. Where I'm standing will become the Low Intervention Birth Center for the new Love Family Women's Center. There'll be 4 low intervention birth center rooms here in this location. As you can see, we've got our underground plumbing roughed in, and today we've just poured the concrete slab for what will become the low intervention birthing center here.
Now we're standing in front of the main core of elevators, which are a total of 6, 3 public, 3 staff. Since the last visit, we've completed the slab on grade. We went all the way to the top lift of the east stair tower. We've completed all mechanical, electrical rough-in under slab. And now you can clearly see the courtyard, which will position you right off the cafe on the first floor. Now we're standing at what will be the second floor main entry of the Women's Center. So as you can see behind us, we backfilled behind basement walls, which will allow us to start preparing for structural steel erection. Over the next month, we look to stand up some steel, continue on with slab on grade, and more mechanical rough-in. So thanks again for joining us. Look forward to seeing you next month.
This particular building, it's all structural steel framing, so we're talking like big I-beams that you've probably seen before, right? So metal columns and beams, they all connect together, and then we pour a concrete deck on top of that. So what we're getting ready to start out here in June is starting to erect that structural steel.